The year is 1842. The sound of muskets echoes through the land, and once again the Māori have fallen victim to the British military. After many a tiresome battle, prominent Māori chiefs gathered. Why? To form our own monarchy. Thus began the Kingitanga and Te Kahui Ariki, and from then on our own Māori monarchy was formed. Pōtato was only king for 2 years before he passed away in 1818 in Ngarawahia, leaving behind his 3 children, Te Puia, Ere Hapati, and his son Tawhio, who would soon become his successor. And we are now blessed with our second Māori king, Tawhio. After battling, the British waved a white flag to call it a truce. They left their footprints when they were walking past to claim the land and most of King Country. They broke their truce and trust with the Māori. In the year 1855, King Tawhio's son, Mahuta, was born. Illness fell upon King Tawhio and soon passed his reign onto Mahuta, 1894. Mahuta was then crowned on the 14th of September, 1894. The land wars began in Ngarawahia. The battles lasted for a long and gruesome 30 years. After King Tawhio's exile, his fight to get back confiscated land did not stop. Tawhio then passed in 1894 when he was 72 years old. Mahuta had fallen ill, so called upon the help of his cousin, Te Puia, to help him, a lady who had been entrusted by King Mahuta's father to fulfill tasks for him. Mahuta now needed Te Puia's help. Te Puia formed a kapa haka team, Te Pou o Mangatawhiri. This haka team travelled all over New Zealand, performing and raising money. Eventually, they raised enough money to build the marae, Tūranga Waiwai. It was a success. Mahuta then passed away on the 9th of November 1912 and was buried by his dad on Taupiri Mountain. Māori advised Te Rata not to be the next king. However, Te Rata disregarded what they had to say and took on the role of king anyway. And we are now blessed with our 4th Māori king, King Te Rata. However, during his voyage to England, Te Rata ended up suffering repeated heart attacks. Te Rata was so unwell. Later on, he eventually was able to meet with King George and Queen Mary. He told them how he felt about them destroying Aotearoa. Te Rata was ill in the England hospital. In 1927, the last 3 years of his life suffered from acute rheumatism. We are now blessed with our 5th Māori king, King Koriki. On the 23rd of July, 1931, in Huntly, New Zealand, Piki Mahuta, the oldest daughter of Koriki, was born. From the late 1920s, Koriki's health deteriorated and he avoided public life. Koriki died on the 18th of May, 1933, in Ngarawahia. When Koriki died, Piki was chosen to be the first Māori queen. She was crowned as Te Ariki Nui Te Ātai Rangi Kahu, a few hours before her father's burial. On the 15th of August 2006, Te Ariki Nui Te Ātai Rangi Kahu had a heart attack. She died from it. After Te Ariki Nui Te Ātai Rangi Kahu's journey across the river, they made it to her burial place, Mount Taupiri. We are now blessed with our 7th Māori king, ko Tuheitia Pōtato Te Wherowhero, Te Tua Whetū.
Katoia he wā e mau, katoia he wā e mau, kai ke ki te pūaha o Waikato, he awa he piko e taniwha, ki atu patara ke tauri koe i ngā aukaha o Waikato, whakamau to te tiro ki tawhitira, ko Taupiri te maunga, potato te tangata, te mauri o te motu